Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a shop workbench with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a stool for our workbench with a 2x2 round plate with cross hole. I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to place some studs in these areas. You'll need 4 in total. Put one right here, and then we're going to flip this back over. Right here on the front studs, a half round 1x2 flat tile and a 1x2 plate in the back. This is going to be used to anchor our minifigures down to the stool. Now we're going to build the workbench, starting with a 1x3 plate. I'll place a 1x1 flat tile right in the center. Now I want to make 2 of these, and I want to join these together with a 1x10 brick in the back. Then I'm going to take a set of 1x1 bricks with holder, place these as shown. These are going to be used to anchor tools to the sides of the workbench. Then take a 1x3 plate. I'm going to place a 1x1 plate in the back. Set this assembly right here. Now I want to take a set of 1x4 plates, stack these on top of one another. I want to skip 2 studs right here, place this right in the center. Now slide this out of the way. I'm going to take a 1x2 rounded plate and some 1x1 rounded plates with a 3.2 shaft. Place the shaft inside the hole as shown. Now I want to make 2 of these. I'm going to place these right here next to our 1x4 plate assembly as shown. Then I'm going to take a 1x2 plate, place a 1x1 plate on one end and set this right here. And in this area, a 1x2 by 1x2 upwards angular plate. And now I want to lock all this together with a 2x10 plate as shown. Make sure that this is pinched in. Now I want to finish off the top of the workbench with a set of 2x3 flat tiles, followed by a set of 2x2 jumper plates. These are going to be used to attach optional accessories and some 1x3 flat tiles on the ends. Now right here I'm going to add a little vise to our workbench with a 1x2 plate with slide, and yes, that is silver metallic. Of course you could use regular gray if you choose. And I'm going to take some studs and set these right here in that area, followed by another 1x2 plate with slide and a half round 1x2 jumper plate. Now that's regular gray. You can probably tell the difference here. And for the arm of the vise, I'm just going to take a small aerial whip, place this right here. Make sure that's all locked together. For the back of our tool bench, let's take a 4x10 plate. I'm going to flip this over. We're going to set down 4 1x4 plates along 3 sides. This is going to beef up the back portion of our board to attach our tools. And right here, a set of 1x2 by 1x2 upwards angular plates. Place these on as shown. Now I want to flip this over. We're going to take 8 1x1 plates with a top holder. We're going to set these in various locations. Now you can place these anywhere you wish. These are going to be used to anchor our tools down to the back portion of our workbench. This is more or less like a pegboard, but in reverse. So I'm going to place these right here as shown. And now we can place some various tools on here. It's easier to place the tools on here now than it is to put them on after we're done. So I'm just going to take a crescent wrench, a little hammer, closed-end wrench, place that right there. And we'll get an open-end wrench, set that in there. And yes, I do know the names of my tools, as I work with tools every day. A little flathead screwdriver, a ratchet, place that right there. well, we need a cordless drill or an electric screwdriver. We'll set that right in that holder there, followed by a little hand circular saw. Place that as shown. Now we're going to put the back of our workbench right on these 1x2 rounded plates. Set that right down in there. Locks in place. That's what it looks like in the back. Not too bad. Now I want to put some tools on here. So I'm going to take one of these cross irons and set this right in this area here as shown. Then on this side, well, we're not complete without an oiling can. We'll throw that in there. We may need to use that for oiling the bicycle tires or even the vise. And right here, little toolbox. We'll set that right on that jumper plate, set it as shown. And slide our stool in place, and there we have our nice workbench.